Hi guys, so you asked for a demonstration on how to have a look at the Kaboodle K view, and in particular how the hierarchical metadata works, filtering system works. So basically what we've got here is the source library that's going to be connected to the web part. And as you can see here, I've got a managed metadata column called functional area. The key thing about this managed metadata is that it's got to be configured so that it displays the entire path length to the field. Otherwise, this won't work. So that's one of the constraints. It is in the documentation. So how this works is pretty straightforward. When you configure a web part and you go to the filtering and grouping section, what you've got to do is just select that particular web part as a filterable column. In this case, I've already got it checked. I'll uncheck some of these just so as we can see it a bit easier. So, sorry, that was the group by. Let me just uncheck the filtered columns. So I'm just leaving functional area displayed here. And you can see that it's already displayed into a view. So this is the hierarchical structure. And if I want to filter items, so I'm just interested in work health and safety, I can just select that and it will just give me the filtering items there. If I want to see work health and safety, but also anything included tagging and operations, I can see that that's selected there. And if I want to see work health and safety, but I don't want to see anything that's tagged at the higher level, then you can just see that that's how that item works. So it's a pretty cool feature and something that I don't think you can do out of the box. The other thing that you asked a question about was to do with the document summary, and this is just the source library has been extended with an additional multi-line text field. And the web part itself has been configured so that that you can also map this additional property. I think it's in data source. Filtering and grouping, additional settings. Here it is. Under format and layout, you can also select a column that is on the source library that can be used to provide this document summary. So if I've got a document that actually has that document summary available to it, let me just remove the filters. And then I select that in peak view, you can see that that document summary is actually displayed there on the right. The third thing that you asked about was the short title, and that's for when items are shown in compact mode. And again, if we edit the properties, layout and settings, you'll see that the short title, compact mode title. So for that to work, we have to actually be in document card mode, and then we have to be in contact, and then you see that instead of having the full item, that short title is actually displayed QMS audit tool in this particular case. So that's it. Hopefully that's answered the questions that you have. Anything else, please get back to me. Thank you.